first most of his time in the insurance industry, and after that occupying the position of the regulatory authority of the insurance, I introduce Sri T.S. Vijayan, who took charge as the chairman of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India in February 2013, who knows the complete ins and out of the entire insurance business. Since then, Mr. Vijayan has been playing a very key role in various initiatives for enhancing the insurance awareness and making insurance affordable to all sections of the population. He has also taken various measures for optimum utilization of the technology in the insurance space. These initiatives include launching of the insurance repository system in India, which enables insurance and maintenance of insurance cover in electronic mode, utilizing the existing customer service center network to market specified insurance product, so that this wide network of the government promoted IT enabled community centers can be leveraged to take insurance services to every corner of the country. Opening up of the new channel for the insurance distribution by allowing banks to act as an insurance broker and enhance the scope of service offered by the web aggregator. In fact, as you know, in India, the insurance which is being taken care, if we take total population of the country, not even 10% of the people are covered with the insurance. So there is a big task before them, how to reach to nook and corner and everywhere. Recognizing the vital role played by agriculture and allied sector in Indian economy and the need for viable and tailor-made insurance cover to large section of the small and medium farmer, Mr. Vijayan has contemplated effective use of geometric and remote sensing technology in insurance model, and is also coordinating with the central and state government and insurance industry and reinsurance in addressing concern of adequate insurance cover for the natural disaster. Mr. Vijayan represents the Asian region on the executive committee of the International Association of Insurance Supervisors, apart from being a member of the Technical and Implementation Committee. Prior to joining, as I mentioned you, his whole career was in insurance. Prior to joining IRDA in a career spanning around 3 decades, Mr. Vijayan worked in various capacities in the Life Insurance Corporation of India, established under the statute of the Parliament of India, while nationalizing the life insurance business in 1956. The LIC was the sole life insurance provider in the country prior to opening of the sector in 1999. He finally took over as the chairman of LIC in 2006 and was in that position for 5 years. He has played an active role as a director on the boards of various companies, both national and international. Mr. T.S. Vijayan pursued his education in God's own country, that is Kerala, and holds a special graduate degree from Kerala University. He also holds diploma in management. Mr. Thai Salas Vijayan was born on 25th February 1953 at Kaliyur, Kerala, to Mr. Salas and Mrs. Louis Salas Thai. His spouse name is Mrs. Galadis Vijayan, and they have a daughter and a son. With these few words, I introduce to you Mr. Vijayan for your thank you.